Hi guys, we are in Halong Bay visiting Sun World, which consists of Dragon Park, Typhoon Water Park and Queen's Cable Car, which heads over to a separate island which has got a few things, including our favourite, the luges. Some things are shut at the moment because it's so hot. Things like the water park have had to shut down for like 2 hours because people are just getting burnt. So yeah, we're gonna have a wander around and show you what's here to see and do.
So a fun fact about the Queen Cable Car is it's a 2-story cable car that holds not 1 but 2 Guinness World Records. One for having the tallest cable car tower and the other for being the largest cable car cabin in the world. Each cabin can carry 230 passengers, gliding high above the bay and offering jaw-dropping panoramic views of Halong City. We didn't get a chance to visit the other parks as we just ran out of time, and to be honest, it was too hot. But you can see here from above, they're vast in size and you could easily spend a day at each of the attractions. Whether you're here for the thrill or just to take in the scenery, this cable car ride is easily one of the most memorable ways to see Halong Bay from above.
We made it! I thought she was going to kiss the ground when she got out.
Once you arrive at the top, there's a small arcade area packed with fun games and bright lights, perfect for a quick bit of entertainment before you head out to explore the rest of the park. It's not huge, but it adds a playful touch and keeps the energy high, especially if you're traveling with family or friends. The main island area is stunning, beautifully landscaped with a temple-style architecture, stone bridges and a peaceful gardens that make you feel like you've stepped into another world. You can stroll through the temple courtyards, admire the incredible views over the bay, and take in the traditional Vietnamese design details everywhere you look.
Now we're not sure why, but we're basically the only ones here. But we did pay to get in.
And there are some workers.
Yeah, so it's not like we've snuck in, but I have no idea why. There is literally no one here. It is, well, just over 40 degrees today, so it is pretty hot, but I was not expecting it to be this quiet. Look, place to ourselves.
Ghost town.
Now, it wouldn't be a trip to a Sun World style place for me and Shannon if we didn't check out the mountain luge, and this one definitely lived up to its expectations. When we visited Sun World, There was also a Japanese-themed cultural event, which was an incredible surprise. The area was decorated with traditional Japanese architecture, cherry blossom displays, and cultural exhibits that let you learn more about Japanese history and customs. You could even try your hand at traditional archery or have a go at wielding a katana sword, a fun and educational way to experience a bit of Japanese martial culture. It was fascinating to see how much effort had gone into recreating the atmosphere, from the costumes and performances to the attention in detail in every structure. It really showed how Sunworld isn't just an amusement park, it's a place that celebrates culture, creativity, and a connection across Asia.
Day trip.
Too early. Very early.
Our day started bright and early. At 6 a.m, pick up for the long drive to Ninh Bình. It was still dark outside, and before we'd even left Hanoi, most of the bus had already dozed off. The drive took around 2 hours, passing through misty rice fields and limestone peaks as the sun slowly came up. Our first stop was the incredible Bái Đính Temple complex, the largest Buddhist temple in Vietnam. The site covers more than 500 hectares, filled with hundreds of Buddhist statues. Massive stone corridors and towering pagodas that seem to stretch endlessly into the hills. Even though it's a modern complex built in the early 2000s, it has a grand, timeless feel, a mix of ancient architecture and peaceful landscapes.
.43-degree heat, and these are the steps I gotta climb. Let's get at it.
You can really sense the scale as you walk between the golden halls and gaze up into the giant bronze Buddha statues. It's one of those places that leaves you feeling completely calm, but also a little bit in awe.
Huh?
We're on the other side.
You're joking. Kind of looks like fetching in your life jacket.
An is one of Vietnam's most beautiful and natural landscapes. A network of rivers, caves, and limestone mountains that feel almost unreal in person. The boat ride takes around 2 hours, and in our opinion, it's about an hour and a half too long. It can be quite uncomfortable, especially in the hot, humid weather. Drifting quietly through winding waterways surrounded by steep cliffs and luscious greenery. Along the way, you'll pass through several natural caves, where the rowers skillfully guide the boats through narrow, echoing tunnels carved by the water over thousands of years. It's peaceful, cinematic, and easily one of the most memorable experiences of Ninh Bình. If parts of it look familiar, that's because Hollywood films many films here. Tràng An was one of the main filming locations for Kong Skull Island, and some of the movie sets are still standing today, complete with the traditional huts and statues built for the scenes. It's pretty surreal rowing past these film props surrounded by such real dramatic scenery. Ninh Bình honestly feels like another world. Ancient temples, movie landscapes, and some of the most peaceful moments we've had in Vietnam so far. A million miles away from the beacon and the bum bao man. And that's it for our long day exploring Ninh Bình. From the peaceful temples of Bái Đính to the stunning boat ride through Tràng An, it's been an incredible way to experience a more raw and authentic side of Vietnam. We got to see many new things and take in some unforgettable views and learn a lot more about the Vietnamese culture. Was the early morning alarm worth it? We'll let you decide.